It's not allowed to talk on mobile phone when you are crossing the road. It could be dangerous for you and people around you. This time we are letting you go with the warnings. But next time you will be in trouble, serious trouble.
Thank you very much, officer. You know, I have this real bad habit of breaking rules, but thank you very much for looking after me, and I'll not do it again. I get very excited. And this genuinely is one of the most exciting things. For me, this is not a business. This is not something that I thought of as a venture I'll go into. But it's just a heartfelt desire to do something for kids in this country where they have other modes of entertainment like the world over.
शाहरुख का, हाँ, यहाँ पे सुमन टीवी 9 से शाहरुख आपके
I think that void can never be filled. And inshallah, I'd go and, I do offer my condolences and love and support to the family. And we've been very close. I've had some really wonderful evenings with Bala Sahab, so I'll miss that.
शाहरुख सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, आपकी फिल्म ने 100 करोड़ पूरे कर लिए हैं ओवरसीज में, और सेकंड ओवरसीज में 100 करोड़ पूरे कर लिए हैं। सेकंड, किड्जानिया जैसे कॉन्सेप्ट को भारत में लाना, ये आप ही की पहल है, तो इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपको लगता है कि बच्चे अब एक छत के नीचे सब कुछ पालेंगे?
उम्मीद है। पहले तो मुझको वहां से मार्केटिंग से डांट पिट चुकी है। किड्जानिया है, लाइक ज़ेनी एंड ज़ानिया, तो मैं वो क्लियर कर दूं क्योंकि मैं भी किड्जानिया बोलता था, सो किड्जानिया। और कोशिश यही है, क्योंकि मैं आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल बात बताना चाहूंगा कि माँ बाप जो हैं मॉल्स में जाते हैं, दुकानों पे जाते हैं, शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, और हर बार यही सोचा जाता है बच्चे को कैसे छोड़ कर जाएं, कहाँ जाएं, क्या करें, घर में छोड़ के जाएं। नैनीज का कॉन्सेप्ट इतना है नहीं, वर्किंग कपल्स हैं। सो आई थिंक ये एक फर्स्ट तो प्रैक्टिकल बात बहुत अच्छी है कि हम अपने बच्चों को एक सेफ एनवायरनमेंट में, यहाँ पे 300 लोग मैंने सुना है काम करेंगे एक शिफ्ट के अंदर, जो ट्रेंड होंगे स्पेशली टू लुक आफ्टर चिल्ड्रन इन द नाइसेस्ट वे पॉसिबल। पेरेंट्स शायद यहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है अंदर, वो बाहर से अपने बच्चों को देख सकते हैं और टीवी स्क्रीन के ऊपर। और एक ये आइडियोलॉजी है कि वो जो है 4-5 घंटे यहाँ पर, मेरे बच्चे जैसे मैंने कहा जब इसमें आए तो 8 घंटे तक बाहर नहीं निकले। वो पैसे भी कमाते हैं, उनको नए प्रोफेशंस देखने का मौका मिलता है। और ये जो है कोई, मैं डिराइव नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये सिर्फ कोई राइड्स नहीं है या आर्केड गेम नहीं है, यहाँ पे रियल वर्ल्ड में हर बार आके आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। सो इट बी वंडरफुल कि एक बच्चा जो है स्पोर्ट्स मैन बनना चाहता है, वो आके उसको चांस मिले कि यहाँ पे ही ट्रेन्ड और सीज एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। इंडिया के लिए हमने स्पेशली क्रिकेट भी ऐड किया है। सो मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है कि बच्चों को एक तो एंटरटेनमेंट मिलेगी, दूसरा पेरेंट्स को ये दिल में शांति मिलेगी कि सिर्फ 4-5 घंटे वक्त जाया नहीं किया, कुछ ना कुछ नया सीख कर आए जिसके बारे में वो घर आके बात कर सकते हैं, उसका ज्ञान दे सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ज्ञान ले सकते हैं।
फिल्म के बारे में जानना चाहूंगी, 100 करोड़ पूरे कर लिए हैं फिल्म ने, किस तरह की फिल्म?
Darling, I've never been one for counting crores, so I'm very happy people are liking the film. And I think you're a little misinformed. It's not overseas, that figure. It's the total figure worldwide. And I'm very happy. I think people are liking the film, that's important. And enjoying the film, that's important. And I hope I can do some more like that, which entertain people. और जैसा मैंने कहा, क्योंकि मैं किड्ज़ेनिया में हूँ, तो मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी तब होती है जब बच्चों वाली कोई पिक्चर बनाऊँ. तो इंशाल्लाह वो भी मौका मिलेगा मुझे. But I'm really happy for the whole YRF group और Katrina and Anushka, myself, क्योंकि हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब थी और इतने प्यार से उसको सराहा गया. In spite of a few issues that happen in terms of being able to see the film for people, but I think I'm really, really happy. माइक दे दो उनको, गुस्सा हो रहे हैं वो.
शाहरुख, बचपने की बात हो रही है तो आपके भी बचपने में, जैसे आपने बताया, कई सारे एक्टर्स थे जो आपको इंस्पायर करते थे. वहीं अगर इस साल की बात करें तो कई सारे ऐसी दिग्गज पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं जो कि हम सबको अलविदा करके चले गए. इस मौके पे क्या फील होता है? एक ही साल में काफ़ी सारे दिग्गजों का हम लोग के ऊपर से हाथ उठा है.
I think just as thought, whenever an elderly person, someone who's senior, a thespian, या वो लोग जो हमको दिशा दिखाते हैं, मार्ग दिखाते हैं, मार्गदर्शन करते हैं किसी भी प्रोफेशन में, और आप ऐसा कह रहे हैं कि एक साल में इतने सारे, I will not commodify it, मैं ऐसा नहीं समझता. कभी भी कहीं पर भी एक भी ऐसे दिग्गज इंसान या कोई मार्गदर्शक इंसान जब हमारे बीच से चले जाते हैं, उठ जाते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स उनकी क्षति महसूस होती है, कमी महसूस होती है. लेकिन उनका काम, उनके जो वर्ड्स हैं, उन्होंने जो अटेन किया है, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट दे लीव बिहाइंड. एंड दे लीव बिहाइंड द हैप्पीनेस दैट दे हैव क्रिएटेड थ्रू द डिफरेंट वर्क्स, नॉट ओनली एक्टिंग, डायरेक्शन, राइटिंग, सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम इट, और उस चीज को हम अपने दिल के बहुत करीब रखें जिन जिन लोगों से हमें सीखने का मौका मिलता है.
शाहरुख, what was your kids' reaction? What was your kids' reaction when they got to know that you're coming into this venture? Any particular reaction from your daughter or your son?
Yeah, I think 3 years ago or 2 years ago, I was in Dubai and my daughter had gone, and my son had said, "No, I don't want to go here. I'm going to just sit down and watch a movie." In about an hour's time, my son also went in. They were there for 8 hours, like I said. They had a great time. They still have the kidzos. पैसे मिलते हैं यहाँ पे जिनका नाम kidzos है, तो वो अभी भी हैं, और वो दुनिया में कोई भी किड्ज़ेनिया में जाके यूज हो सकते हैं चीजें खरीदने के लिए. तो जब आप नौकरी करते हैं, यहाँ पे काम करते हैं, तो उसका आपको पैसा मिलता है, एंड देन यू कैन शॉप विद दैट मनी. पासपोर्ट मिलता है, प्लेन है यहाँ पे. दे वर वेरी वेरी थ्रिल्ड. I'll be very honest, our partners, I met them and they were very kind, and it was a desire I had. I expressed कि मुझको ऐसा मिल सकता है क्या, and they were very keen to bring it to India, looking for a partnership. It just fell into place. My kids are extremely excited, extremely excited. थोड़ा घर से दूर है इस वक्त, लेकिन मेरी बहुत जल्दी से उम्मीद है कि समर की हॉलीडे शुरू हो जाए, मार्च अप्रैल में जब ये बन जाए, तो मैं उनको यहाँ पर लेकर आऊँ. I'll spend maximum time. I'll tell you honestly, parents are not allowed. बट मैंने अपनी शॉर्ट्स वॉट्स बना ली हैं चुपचाप से. मैं बच्चे का रोल प्ले करके घुस जाऊंगा मैं अंदर.
Okay, this question is for both the gentlemen on the stage right here. I want to know, what is the thing that you all learned from a child yourselves? I mean, maybe your children or whoever. The one last thing that a child taught you.
Well, first thing is, when I'm with children, I feel young. Although I don't look young, but I feel young when I'm with the children. Second thing is, the amount of knowledge and up-to-date in technology what they have is something I learned from them. And number 3 is the sheer passion and excitement. In fact, just to give you a short story, this first concept, when it was being introduced in India, my wife is a teacher, and we got together the school teachers and some children and showed them what Kidzania is. And I could see the passion, I could see the excitement in their face. And that's what I learned, is what is the passion that a child has, which we should also learn sometimes in our work and profession. So for me, the learning in Kidzania has been all about going back into my youth and seeing the excitement in the faces of the children.
And from my children, every time, because of the way our work stresses are, I think the only thing I learned from my daughter and son is, keep smiling. Tomorrow's another day. Things will all turn out well. They look positively at life. And I think that's what I learn a lot from them. You have a bad day, you quickly get over it. When you see little children, in 2-3 minutes they forget, a setback. and they come back happily and positively, and I think that's why they grow up to be really wonderful people like us. But I think that's what I learned from them, that no setback is bad enough to hold you down for too long.
Shah Rukh, hi. You just spoke about how your kids reacted when you said you're going to be a part of this venture. I want to know, how did your kids react when they saw their father kissing on screen for the first time?
You know, the film is a little more than that, darling. Do you have kids? Okay. Sorry? Do you still have kids?
I don't have kids.
Joking with you. I don't know. I think for me the film is a lot more than just that. And I'm an actor, and that's what I do for a living. And not only my kids, people around here, everyone knows I'm an actor, and this is what I do for a living. So there's no awkwardness or intense reaction to what I do on screen.
My question is for Mr. Sanjeev. Yeah. Okay. So how is Kidzania different from any other theme park existing in India?
Okay, as Shah Rukh Khan had mentioned, this is combining education with entertainment. This is the only unique concept where children learn while they are having fun. You try and teach your child, he will shirk. But when the child is learning through fun, well, that's what the child really enjoys. So we believe this is the only concept of its kind, not only in India, but in the world, where a child, learns while having fun, he learns good social values, he learns empowerment, he learns choices of career professions. So it truly is a unique theme park, and absolutely it's an indoor theme park. It's an all year around except Mother's Day. It's a completely safe environment. Parents can leave their children here, and just to mention, parents can also come in, but they can't take part in the activity. So no rides, no this, fun and learning. So it's something, as I mentioned earlier, you learn while not being in school also, but you continue to have fun.
शाहरुख, यहाँ बच्चे लड़ते हैं और फिर एक होते हैं. क्या शाहरुख भी ऐसे ही है? Because recently खबर आई थी कि सलमान और शाहरुख में पैचअप हो गया.
भाई पुराना क्वेश्चन है यार. अब
जवाब दे
तो मैं तो क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि आप बचपन से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, आप तो बड़े हो जाओ.
लेकिन अभी खबर आई थी जब
Nothing like this यार. It's very boring.
Shahrukh sir, Prabhat here sir, this side. I mean, venture like Kidzania can be affordable by middle class or a rich class, but what about the unprivileged class means who cannot afford venture like this? I mean, as a celebrity like you, can you do something for the unprivileged children also? I mean, you are much generous.
I think, let me address this first. Kidzania is for all children. We intend to cover all children in India, first starting with Maharashtra, then spreading across north, then south. We will partner with companies as a part of the CSR activity where underprivileged children, physically handicapped children can be a part of the Kidzania experience. We will also have mobile vans which will reach out to each and every child in the rural areas. So Kidzania is all about children who cannot come here. We will reach out to them.
Yeah, see, once we have the infrastructure, it has taken us a little while to get this together. Inshallah, I've been told we're going to try and take it to Bangalore and then Delhi and try and spread it all over the country. Once you have an infrastructure like this, in no which way taking away from the importance or deriding, but I think children and families which are a little underprivileged, as far as the economic part of it is concerned, we will make sure that, we hold and have days and evenings here which are completely dedicated to, those areas too. But first we need to just, get into the business and the infrastructural part of it. And we'll have a lot of ideas like this. Even when we started it off, the first thought was this: how are we going to reach out to every child in this country, hopefully?
We're done. Thank you. Can I request the photographers to come ahead, please, for a photo op? The Q&A is done.
ऊंचा बोल दो ना, क्या बोल रही हैं? Okay, last two questions here, and that young lady there. Somebody pass the mic to her, and then I'll come here. Oh, you can say, I can hear you. आप आगे आ जाओ ना यार.
Sir, my question to you is, it's been 20 years you have been working in this Bollywood, and how was your journey? How would you like to describe your journey?
Extremely positively.